Hello everyone, welcome to Mumma's Academy. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. Before knowing about parts of speech, let's know what is speech. Speech, to express thoughts and feelings by articulate sounds. When we say something by using a language, it comes under speech. While using a sentence, many things come to form that sentence, and that is called parts of speech. So now we will know how many types are there of parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun denotes name of a person, place, animal, thing, quality, or idea. For example, Ram, house, teacher, honesty, lion. Ram is a good boy. Honesty is the best policy. Teacher teaches us. Our next parts of speech is pronoun. Replace the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea in a sentence. For example, I, she, it, he, they, are. She comes to my home every day. He loves playing cricket. Our third part of speech is adjective. Adjective is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to add something for its meaning. Example: big, beautiful, sad, red. He has a beautiful house. John has a red shirt. Our next part of speech is verb. Verb is a word that describe an action or an experience. Example: run, swim, eat, cook. Ram is running fast. He cooks food often. Our next parts of speech is adverb. Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Example: yesterday, slowly, often, so. He reached here yesterday. My dog is coming to me slowly. Now, our next parts of speech is preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands. Example: by, from, of, in, to, over. The ball was hit by the batsman. He will start work from tomorrow. The next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins together sentences or clauses and sometimes words also. Example: and, but, either, or, never. That is a beautiful place and I have visited there. She is rich but miser. Now our last part of speech is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings or emotions. It is often followed by an exclamation mark. Example: wow, oh, hooray. Wow, the view is amazing. Hooray, we won the match. So today we learned about parts of speech and its types. In our next video, we will learn one by one about parts of speech. Thank you.